There are 460 million deaf people in the world. That is why we created our platform. On one side of the screen you will see the tutorial videos that will teach you each of the signs that you are going to learn. On the other side of the screen, you will see yourself on your webcam, and you will have to replicate the movements that the teacher makes to get approval. Our AI system will correct you if there is anything in the sign that you are not doing right. Error handlers will tell you if the problem is in the location of the sign, like in this case, and you can improve it to achieve detection. In Uruguay, our platform managed to triple the access to sign language teaching in 1 year, and these are some of our corporate clients in that country, Argentina and Spain. Our platform was also successfully implemented in several schools.
La maestra explica y cada uno va al paso de la maestra y si te quedas trancado en una respuesta tienes que seguir, pero con ELdeS es cada uno a su ritmo, vos podés repetir la lección todas las veces que quieras.
Our platform has been declared of ministerial and educational interest and endorsed by sign language references from each country.